Welcome back to our brand new episode of Forex for Beginners. In today's episode, we're diving straight into the world of trading platforms. Because imagine that you're ready to start trading Forex, but you don't know where to take your trades. Worry not, my friends, I'm here to tell you exactly all you need to know about trading platforms. So to start with, one of the most popular trading platforms among the traders is called MetaTrader. You might have already heard, for example, of MetaTrader 4 or MT4, or its advanced version MetaTrader 5 or MT5. And there is another well-known platform that is called cTrader. Those platforms are like command centers for your trading activities. So if they're so popular, what makes these platforms stand out? First, they offer user-friendly interfaces that makes it easy to navigate even for beginners. In those platforms, you can manage your trading accounts while viewing your live trading charts and placing your trades. Chart analysis is as well one of the most notable features on these platforms, and the TradingView is an amazing and essential tool to use for that concept. With the help of TradingView, you can easily track price movement while identifying your future trading opportunities. Additionally, they support automated trading that can trade for you based on a set of rules when you're away of your screen. And the best part about it is that these trading platforms can be accessed from anywhere around the world on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. This flexibility enables you to never miss a trading opportunity. So that's it for today, guys. In the next episode, we'll break down all the Forex terminology and the trading terms that you need to know to speak the language of the market. So if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to FundedNext, and stay tuned for our next episodes.